Hi, in this video I'm going to go through the division of hundreds. Now when we think of division, normally the question asked is if we need to split, share or separate a number. A farmer collected 399 strawberries. How many punnets with 6 strawberries can be filled? Now punnet is like a basket. So the number that needs to be split, shared or separated is 399 and we call that the dividend. It is being split by 6, the divisor. So I'm going to write my division sum out. Using the OR shape to get us ready for a long division. So, first off, how many groups of 6s there are in 3? Well, there's none. So I put 0 and I bring over my 3 to the next number, which is 9. Now I have 39. How many groups of 6 in 39? I need to count up in 6s until I can go as far as I can, and I can't go over the number 39. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. I can't go any higher. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 groups of 6 in 39. Now I need to find what's left over. Take 36 from 39 and again I'm left with 3. Bring it over to my next number. Again I have 39. How many groups of 6 in 39? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take 36 from 39 and I'm left with a remainder of 3. Okay, now another one. A tiler had 679 tiles for 5 identical bathrooms. How many tiles were used in each bathroom? So the number I'm splitting is 379 and I'm splitting it between 5. So my dividend is 679 and my divisor is 5. So I'll make my sum. How many groups of 5 in 6? Let's count up in 5s. 5. I can't go any higher, so that is just 1. When I take 5 away from 6, I'm left at 1 and I bring it here to my next number. How many groups of 5 in 17? We count up in 5s until we can go as far as possible. We can't go over the number 17. So 5, 10, 15. That's 1, 2, 3. When I take 15 away from 17, I'm left with 2. How many groups of 5 in 29? I'm going to count up in 5s as far as I can go, but I can't go over the number 29. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That's 5 groups. When I take 25 away from 29, what will I be left with? 4. So I will need 135 tiles for each bathroom and I'll have 4 spare. Now a few more division sums involving hundreds. So my dividend, 893 divided by 3. So I'm going to make my OR shape. How many groups of 3 in 8? We'll count up 3, 6. I can't go any higher, so that's 2. When I take 6 away from 8, I am left with 2. How many groups of 3 in 29? Let's count up in 3s until I can go as far as possible, but I can't go over the number 29. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. So that is 9. When I take 27 away from 29, I'm just left with 2. How many groups of 3 is there in 23? So I'm going to count up until as far as I can go, but I can't go over the number 23. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 there. When I take away 21 from 23, I have a remainder of 2. So 297, remainder 2. And another one, 819 divided by 6. How many groups of 6 in 8? Just 1. When I take 6 away from 8, I am left with 2. How many groups of 6 in 21? So I'm going to count up in 6s, but I can't go over the number 21. 6, 12, 18. I can't go any higher, so I have 3. When I take 18 away from 21, I am left with 3, which I bring over to my 9. Now I have 39. How many groups of 6 in 39? Let's count up in 6s as far as I can go, but I can't go over the number 39. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When I take 36 from 39, I'm left with remainder 3. Now here, these look like top-heavy fractions, and they're division sums. The dividend, the number I'm splitting, is the top number here, it happens. And the divisor, the number I'm splitting them by, is the bottom number here. Now, if you want to pause this video and try these on your own and then compare your answers, work away and try that. Now, I'm going to do the OR shape. So my divisor is 5 and my dividend is 606. How many groups of 5 and 6? If I count up in 5s, I can only do it once. When I take 5 away from 6, I'm left with 1, and I bring it over to my 0. How many groups of 5 in 10? Well, 5, 10, even, 2. How many groups of 5 in 6? 5, just 1. And when I take 5 away from 6, I am left with a remainder of 1. I don't know why I put a little or down there. The next one, 373 divided by 8. So I hope you're getting used to using the OR shape and putting my dividend under the OR and my divisor on the outside. So, how many groups of 8 in 3? Absolutely none. I put down a 0 and I carry over my 3 to my next number. Now I have 37. How many groups of 8 in 37? Well, 8, 16, 24, 32. And that's as high as I can go. And that is 1, 2, 3, 4. When I take 32 from 37, I'm left with 5, which I bring over to my next number. Now I have 53. How many groups of 8 in 53? Well, let's count up in 8s. 8, 16, 24, 30, 40, 48. And that's as high as I can go. So, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When I take 48 away from 53, I am left with a remainder of 5. So boys, if you're reading a word problem and you have to split a number or share a number or separate a number into groups, it's division. And always remember, if you're using the OR shape, the dividend, the number being split up, goes in the bottom. The divisor, the number that you're splitting it up by, goes on the outside.